Hi, this is the burping contest. And the contestant says Ethan and Kayla. Ethan's up first. Thank you.
Now it is up to her. Okay.
Let's see who the winning team is.
The winning person is Ethan.